I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I am. Today is my final event for the year. It's a cooking class, in-home cooking class. And I would have a wedding sometime next week, but they canceled. And that leaves me with my last event for the year, and I'm happy. I got a new client, but I decided not to take it because I need to rest, and so I will be resting. Before I leave the house, of course, you know, breakfast is always a must, and I'm having tamales. Tamales! With fresh orange juice that I purchased at the market this morning. And tamales. This is from a different person. We got the tamales from a different person. It's different. It costs more and it's bigger, but the taste. Let's see if there's a difference in the taste as well as the quantity of meat. Which one did we get?
Mole.
What?
You get verde.
Oh. I was like, mole?
This is mole.
Oh my goodness.
No, this one is a mess.
It is a mess. It's so...
Watery.
I don't know if I should say watery, but it smells spicy though, which is kind of rare. So this has more masa and less meat. The other one has a balance between masa and meat. This one is very smoky though. What do you think?
Mine is okay. Not the best.
It's very oily.
Yeah, it's very fun.
So they use lard in this one, for sure.
It's not done with love.
It's not done with love.
No.
It's chamba chamba. In my opinion, it's chamba chamba. Because there's no meat in it. It's spicy. I like the flavor. I like spicy and I like the flavor. But where's the meat? No?
Yeah.
Where is the love? Salud. Thank you. So these tamales that we have this morning, I couldn't finish it because it's not good compared to the other ones that I've had, that I normally have. They didn't have any, so we went to this guy on the corner.
Lady, ugly.
Lady, oh, don't, oh, the poor lady. Ooh. Well, it is what it is. It's very oily. There's no balance between tamales and meat ratio. I like the smoky texture though. Not the smokiness from it. But other than that, I don't enjoy it. Going to get the Uber now. I think 45 Uber cancelled one DV. No one likes to go, well, no one likes to drive to Santa Fe. Yeah.
In our opinion, nice Sunday shoes, but they were open toed. And
so yesterday I had a wonderful day, a very productive day with the cooking class I gave, and so today I am meeting up with a friend and we're gonna have vegan food. this new spot called Mercado Roma, but it's a different Mercado Roma. Not many people know of this one, so yeah. La pitaya for lunch. This is the menu, the vegan menu.
Chai?
Orale. Gracias. I had a delicious lunch brunch at the unpopular Mercado Roma in Coyoacan. Everything I had was delicious. The flavor combination was pretty interesting, especially the cauliflower. The cauliflower taco with coconut. That was an interesting flavor, and pastor de setas, delicious. You can do anything with mushroom. And the other one, ooh, which was the other one? I don't remember what the other one was, but they were all delicious. It's a 5 out of 5 for that restaurant. I end up having lunch by myself because there was a misunderstanding. Oh my goodness, there was a misunderstanding with the time. When someone say lunch, I usually think 12 midday, you know, but also I didn't confirm the time, so that was my fault. Well, I'm heading back home because I have an appointment, and yeah, I'll take you along my day, see how it goes. Nothing planned. Well, there are things I have scheduled, but it's not as rigid as some other days. Okay, and I stumbled upon this museum. I'm gonna go inside to check it out. I was going back home because walking back home actually, and I took a small road because I didn't want to walk on the main road. It had a lot of cars, and I stumbled upon a museum that does watercolor painting. So I'm gonna take you on that with me. The museum is super organized in terms of periods, location, as well as there are things that you have to follow on the floor. It's pretty interesting. And I like it because I'm seeing different style of watercolor and pencil and chalk. So it's pretty interesting. También en ese museo se llama Pablo. Pablo, ¿cuántos tiempos
Aquí,
trabaja? Ajá.
aquí llevo como 25 años
25.
trabajando aquí. Trabajando aquí 25 años.
Órale, mi nuevo amigo.
Servicio del museo.
Órale. Nice chatting with Senor Pablo. He has lived in this area for over 25 years. And he was sharing with me a little history about the area. Oh. And he told me about this section. This was a beautiful surprise. I think I've walked past here many times before and I didn't pay attention to it. But I will be back. Hello. Don't let these clear blue skies trick you. It's really chilly for me. This is chilly. I have an appointment and I'm a little bit late because I overslept. So I am on my way to, well, you will see where I'm going to when I get there. I'm not gonna show you my situation that I'm gonna have taken care of until I get there. Normally I don't color my nails because I cook a lot, but I'm not gonna be cooking it until January. So I'm gonna choose a color. ¿Qué le gusta? ¿Qué color? Rojo, rojo. Okay. Gracias.
Why?
Because I can. What you cooking? Just finished my nails. Now I'm heading back home. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.